What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been kind of busy, but more like my screen was weird. But anyway, I am back on Vanilla Realm because Creeper kind of got banned. Well, we're not talking about that now. He kind of got banned from Flea SMP, but we aren't talking about that. So I am back on Vanilla Realm because he got bored. But anyway, Green Kid won. We're playing with him. Say hi.
Hello. We are fighting.
Yeah, they're fighting. They're gonna fight.
We're going to, but
Creeper, stop! Or you will be instantly killed. But anyway, yeah. Comment down below if I should do, comment down below if I should be trapped in the end forever. That's gonna be my next video, so go ahead and watch that out. And maybe if you want to do it for fun, you should try it out. But let me get a bird's eye view of this fight.
Hold on, I need to get pitfalls.
Oh, and no eating.
What?
No
Just
eating.
eating?
No
Are you
eating.
kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Actually, Green, since you are good, you should not eat, and Creeper should eat. Since you are good,
you want me to not?
you should not eat. Give me all your food right now. Give me all your food. All the food you have.
Can I have it back after?
Yes, I'll give it back.
Okay, I have some cookies and some mutton, carrot,
Can I
raw
have,
chicken.
can I have some food? That's food. Can I have cookies? Can I have cookies?
I just gave all my away. Sorry.
Can
Okay,
I
can
That's
we
up
just do
to
the fight?
Green.
can I have some food, Green? Because I got you.
I don't have to on me.
Okay,
Okay. He said yes, give me food. Give me food.
what do you want?
I want a steak.
You want steak?
You want this?
I'll give you 10.
Maybe all of it. Give me all of it.
Is that fine if I give him 10 steak? Mutton?
Third, yeah, that's fine.
Just 10. Okay, now
I got 11.
Fight!
Wait, no, don't fight yet.
Okay.
Fight yet.
Why do you have a door,
No, I
Green? Green, why do you have a
I have all the
door?
doors on.
Fight!
I know I have doors.
Oh, you have thorns?
No, doors.
Oh, doors. Oh, he glitched. He glitched.
Wait,
Not
hold on, I
glitched.
need to eat. Hold on. Whoa!
Oh, his
No,
water's
hold on.
over here.
Whoa, I was wet! I was
Oh! He got rid of the water. Oh, this is gonna be a weird fight. Oh, 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 oh. Creeper's running.
Hey, hold on!
Sorry guys,
Hold
I cannot sprint. I cannot sprint.
on.
You trying to hit me, Green? You're
Wait,
trying to
hold
hit me,
on.
Green?
Oh, hold on!
There's no timeouts, FYI.
I need timeout. I need to eat, okay? I need to eat.
Then run
But I'm
and
running
eat.
out of food points.
I need to get to...
How much hearts are you at, Green?
I'm missing every shot. Oh, there we go.
Let's go.
How much hearts are you at, Green?
I'm at
Creeper.
4 right now.
Creeper, explode him. Creeper, you should explode him. That's
Guys,
me.
you guys only have 15 minutes in the video. Oh my gosh, he's so lagged.
I'm at 4 videos. I'm at 4 minutes so far.
Dude,
Oh, he's so laggy, I can't kill him.
I'm glad, yes.
So that would probably be a bonus for Creeper. Oh, he's on fire now. But I have water. I have a water bucket that I cannot
Hey!
use.
Bro, I was glad.
Oh my. And
I was
green
glad.
wins.
I was glad.
Here's your food back.
Subscribe.
Subscribe for more videos like
Dude,
this.
accept that.
Oh, I just realized he sent he
No,
didn't,
Please accept
green.
that.
Okay. Subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah,
Hold on,
subscribe.
I'm gonna sit on the toilet.
Comment down below if you want more videos like this soon. And I will see you on Flea SMP.
Green, accept
And I just
that,
realized I had my
please.
skin. My flea skin. So comment down for more videos like this.
Where is my
Comment
stuff?
down below
Where's
for
my stuff?
Over here.
more
Over
videos
here.
Leo.
like this, and comment down below if me and Green should fight.
Dude, I
soon.
can't see you.
So comment down below.
Dude,
And we
I
will
actually
fight
can't see you.
for eternity.
Oh, yeah, you're really lagged. Oh, you left the server.